If mom is in a nursing home and passes away while she's on Medicaid, what happens next? Hi, Aaron Miller, elder law attorney in Plano, Texas, and today I'd like to talk about the Medicaid Estate Recovery Program. The Medicaid Estate Recovery Program, also known as MERP, is a program that states like Texas have to recover money that's paid on behalf of Medicaid applicants. Now, believe it or not, Texas was really reluctant in putting this in place. In fact, the feds had to force them to do it. So what happens when a person who is on Medicaid passes away? Medicaid sends out a questionnaire. And on the questionnaire, they're looking for any assets that the person may have had. Now, I know you're thinking, well, they're on Medicaid. What assets would they have had? Well, when we apply for Medicaid, there's actually certain assets that are not countable. Things like a house or a car are not countable when applying for Medicaid. And if planning wasn't done properly, the person on Medicaid may still have those assets in their name. So that's why it's really important if there is a house involved, we want to make sure that they have a ladybird deed so we can avoid the whole Medicaid estate recovery process with regards to the house. Now, once the family fills out the questionnaire and sends it back to Medicaid, Medicaid's going to make a decision on whether or not it's going to seek any reimbursement from the estate of the person that passed away. Now, if the person wasn't on Medicaid for very long, let's say maybe a month or less, Medicaid's not going to pursue any claims. If the estate is not very valuable, there's not a lot of assets in the estate, Medicaid's not going to pursue any claims. But that's not it. If the person that passed away is a spouse, has a surviving spouse, they're not going to go after the claim. They're not going to go after the surviving spouse for a Medicaid claim. There's some other examples, but I think you get the idea. Now, I know I've made it sound pretty simple, at least to the best of my lawyerly ability, but it's actually pretty complicated. There's a lot of moving parts. And if you get a letter, get a questionnaire from Medicaid, and you don't know how to respond, you probably need some help. Give us a call if you have any questions.